Good morning, YouTube. Yesterday, I had spent time clearing out these mushrooms, and they're back. And it is starting to rain, so we are going to go do a quick little update. I do think that is a sunflower. Just took a picture of it to send to Lindsay. I am pretty sure that is a sunflower. There's my Wyatt coming out. All my little, except for one cup, seem to be still standing. We're not going to be out here for very long, okay, my Wyatt? Because it's starting to rain. It's going to be a rainy day. But look at my spinach. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coming up. Quite a bit of lettuce coming up here. So
some of the chicken.
So, in all the spots, some more. Bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you. Spinach, arugula coming right there. I did pick out all of the mushrooms. There's still some in here. So I probably could pick some of these bigger ones. I should have brought a bass cart out so I could pick stuff like that one and those ones over there. Yep, we're gonna get to the carrots real quick. It's supposed to rain all day. So, but these carrots have definitely grown in size since yesterday. So has some of the arugula. I don't think I'm going to have time to pick some of these microgreens. Come back out and pick some of these microgreens, which aren't looking too micro-y, especially like right there. But yeah, it is definitely starting to rain a little bit heavier. So oregano, sage is definitely coming back. I am going to pick up the one cup over there that fell over. So the bell pepper that fell over, no stinking way! I have marigolds right there. Awesome. So no other sprouts are coming yet. All right, bell pepper, up you go. But look at that, marigolds. Yay. So anyways, I'm going to go inside. Do I want to risk it and come back out and pick some microgreens? I don't know. Gasp. Anyways, that is the Gardein update. What are you doing?
Going for flowers.
Okay. All right, so I braved the rain and picked some microgreens. Now I just gotta clean off the dirt and get rid of the roots. What is what?
This.
A keychain. Let me see. Oh, it's a flashlight. This is a flashlight attaches to that. So yay! There's still more out there.
It looks like Phase 1000 Ratty.
So we are going to try to do yoga. There is my microgreens right there that I cleaned. I was scrolling through social media and I found Never Felt Better workout on the Lindy Well website 5-day Pilates challenge that starts today. So I have my tablet, I have my mat, I have my blocks, I have my strap, my yoga strap. Okay. It helps with certain moves. So Pilates Strength Express is today. Day 2 workout unlocks April 8th. So says in just 5 days you'll be feeling stronger, more mobile, and more confident in your body. The links to the videos will be emailed to you each day of the challenge, and you'll have to open your email and press play. All you'll have to do is open your email and press play. So, we are going to attempt to do Pilates today. So, I don't know. I have my tablet on the charger. It is under 50%. It's still raining here, so you know, the video is 19.5 minutes, so I don't know how long the other 4 days are, but there is a 10-minute routine, a bonus deep core and pelvic floor workout. There's a bonus guide, goal guide, and a meal plan. So I think I have it downloaded on my phone. All right, let's press play and get going. All right, Pilates is done. It's been forever since I have done Pilates. I've done yoga, weightlifting, cardio, 5Ks. So the Never Felt Better challenge. So Pilates challenge. I think I'm going to like this. It's Monday through Friday. It starts today. It's done on the 11th. So yep, the 11th is on Friday. So I think I'm going to do the Pilates this week. I'm gonna leave this website open on my tablet to see if it unlocks earlier, and especially on Wednesday, because the kids, they have an appointment with a therapist at 10 and 11. So see if I could get it done beforehand, because it's gonna be like 12:30, 1 o'clock by the time we get home. So see if I could do it in the morning before we leave. Wyatt.
What?
Hi. Is it raining outside? A big old puddle down there.
When are we going to walk?
I'm not going on a walk in the rain.
You can use our umbrellas.
I'm not going on a walk in the rain. No thanks. I will pass. The trash did get picked up today. Yay.
Then I'll go.
Spidey. No, you're not. Spidey's getting watered. The garden is getting watered. Wyatt's getting watered. You stay here. You stay here. So, Silly Bay. I wonder if that cart is.
God, dude. Wait, how do I put it? There we go.
Another cart coming down the hill. I've caught about that. I wonder if anybody's gonna get stuck today, but I could tell you for sure that I am not driving through that, much less going anywhere today. So I think I'm staying home today. I really don't have anywhere to be. Well, there's another car coming down the hill. Okay. That is my truck. The pollen's getting washed off the truck. Yay. Okay, y'all. It is 9:15 and I just put the kids to bed and I can get my bed ready to call it a night. So I've been watching The Biggest Loser on Amazon Prime, and I normally watch seasons 14 through I think 17 on Amazon, or whatever the last one was on. Not Amazon, YouTube. Whatever the last season was on NBC. But no matter what channel, YouTube channel that I find it on, there's episodes missing in season 14, season 16, 17. I don't know if there's any missing in 18 or 15. There might be. I don't know why, but as many times as I have watched seasons 14, 15, 16, and 17, there are episodes I have not seen since, like, they have aired. So I watched, season 14, one of the episodes that's not on YouTube, that I haven't seen since it's aired, and it's been over a decade since that season has been on. So it's just really nice to see the episodes, that episode again. But one of my favorite episodes, they're all my favorite, but one of my favorite ones is, where they, are given $10 a day to go grocery shopping. Of course, it's been like over 10 years since this episode has aired. And the two places maybe, where I can see definitely doing $10 a day. It's $10 a day per person for the whole week. So, $70 a week per person. So, is like Aldi and Dollar Tree. So I mean, if you go to like Kroger or Food Lion, I'm sure you can do it with the sales and coupons and manager specials. And I might not be able to do like the egg and cheese wraps because of the price of eggs. So, you know, I know between like the two Kroger locations that I do, the one here on the south side and the one by the kids' therapy appointment, There is like a 50 cents difference on the jumbo eggs that I eat. So, I don't know. I can probably plug it into ChatGPT. We're the best place to do like a $10 a day budget and meal ideas with it. I still have my $25 gift card to the Fresh Market, so I might use that next week when the kids go back to school. See if I can get like a couple of days like breakfast and lunch. So, I don't know. I mean, I don't, right now, like the main thing I would have to get is, what's it called? Milk. Elijah's out of milk. I bought him milk Saturday and it's like Monday and both gallons are gone. So, I mean, there's worse things that he could drink gallons of in 2 days. So I didn't go anywhere today because of the rain. I think it's still raining. So, but anyways, I'm going to go. I'm going to edit. I'm going to upload. And then I am going to call it a night. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment, and all the things. So, I will see y'all next time. Peace.